Welcome to another Steve Henry Show. Coming this week, if you didn't figure it out, you got that right. It is a Latino, what do you call it? It's a flaming nacho. It's going to be one of the best nachos you ever tasted. In fact, there's two of them. We're going to do traditional. That's the ground beef one. But the fajita one, the fajita nacho, my God. And then, of course, we're going to introduce you once again to something called tortware. Love ones, that tortware is some awesome stuff. You don't want to miss it. Everything is edible. I mean, everything is edible. You're not going to want to miss flaming nachos. This is going to be one great weekend. And then after that, you know what it is. We're going to turn this thing green, literally green. It's going to be St. Patrick's Day. We're going to do the corned beef cabbage. That's right. Oh, my God. The corned beef cabbage is going to be to die for. So there's two, count them, two really good menus coming up. The flamin' nachos I'm going to spin on a carousel, something you've never seen before. And again, this is for a party of 6. That's how we roll here at the Steve Henry Show. We cater to basically a 6-party menu. By the way, I want to just call your attention to a couple things. We got to watch those ads. Don't be a skipper, dipper. No, if you watch the videos through, and I love when you do that, just play the ads through. I know. Anyways, flamin' nachos. We're going to use a combination of flour and corn. I'm going to show you a recipe that's just going to melt in your mouth. And when you flame these for your party of 6 and then put the tortware out there, they're going to walk away thinking, wow, I've never seen anything like that. And that's what we do here. We are 9 weeks, 8 weeks away from another Jeep. I have 2 of them in contention. I'm not sure which one it's going to be. I don't know if it's going to be blue or brown. We're not sure, but we have 2 in contention I'm looking at right now. That's about 8 weeks away. You want to make sure, how do I get that Jeep? Well, as you've seen 6 other people do so, you got to go to the new Steve Henry Show, put your email in there, and you got to subscribe. Folks, you got to subscribe. I'm looking at about 40% of our viewers do not subscribe, right? That's all there is to it. We're looking for 100 people this week. It's going to be a great live show. You don't want to miss it. Live at the Steve Henry Show, 4 o'clock Mountain. Don't you dare be late!